Campaign Manager, a tool from LinkedIn to help you manage your advertisements on LinkedIn. It has plenty of features to choose from, and starting up can be a hustle if you are onto it for the first time. To help you with that, we will discuss a few steps to give you a smooth start of using Campaign Manager. An objective. Plan about the type of campaign you want to create. Beginning with the product, the audience section, number of days, and budget, you can write it on paper accordingly. Decide whether a photo or video would be best suited for your product. Look for other advertisements similar to your product and learn from them. You need to have an impressive presentation which makes you stand out of the crowd. You can also search the internet to look for unique ad campaigning ideas. The right audience. Decide and select the section of audience which you know will align well with your product and advertisement. Suppose if you offer a service or product for marketing industry, then look for people who are into marketing or have same or similar link with the industry. Search and write down all the professionals you can find which are related to your interested industry. This will give you better results investing less time. Select an ad format. There are various formats offered by LinkedIn to choose for your advertisement. It includes single image, video, carousels, event, and documents. From all, select the one which would suit your product or service. Formats make the advertising visually appealing, thus more engagement. Selecting the right format is also important. For example, if your product requires a demo, then you should go for video format rather than a single image or carousel, which will make the advert a hustle to understand. Selecting a budget. It is important to understand that spending a bulk of money isn't going to bring some more client or better results. You can do that if money is not a concern to you. But on a wiser side, you should strategically plan your investing in advertising. Look for which segment of advertisement is more profitable and what's lacking behind, and channelize your investment according to it. Use analytics for this. You will get a sound knowledge about the response of your advertisement both in numbers and from the audience's choice.